I was sent this set of glitter paint pens and so excited to try them. I think they're really, really pretty. And I like that they're the extra fine tip, that 0.7. So I have a few things. I have a little rock that I thought we could write on. I have a piece of paper. And then I have some glass. So let's test it out. I think we should do the black silver sparkle on the rock. So you're just supposed to shake it and then press and draw. But when it first comes to you, you're going to have to press it a few times to start getting the ink to flow. So let's start that. Okay, so once you start pressing it, you'll see that the ink is starting to flow in. And then once it comes down, you're ready to go. Okay, a little hard to see because this rock is dark, but I put established 2025 because we're moving to a new house. So I thought this could be a little rock in our rock garden. So that's cute. I'm going to put some lighter colors around that. Here's the pink one. And then here's purple. Here it is on some paper. So the shine is really nice with these pens. Kind of hard to see in studio lights, but in real life, it has like a really, really pretty sparkle to it. And definitely easy to use on paper. I think that's kind of the easiest surface so far I've tested it on. Red, hard to read. Okay, here's our little rock. Well, it definitely works on rocks as well. So it works on everything. This set is awesome. Whether you're just a crafter or you're truly an artist, I think you're going to love them.